Mike Harris with What in the Law podcast. I'm going to do something a bit different and talk a little bit about what it's like to do what I do. Keep in mind that when you hear someone's a lawyer, that can mean so many different things, not just in what type of law, but what type of practice and how they get their work. What I do is I am a solo practitioner. I like to do my own cases. I believe it's important as an attorney on the case that I am personally knowledgeable about everything involved and that I have personally read every police report, seen the videos, know what the witnesses are going to say, and not have all of these things delegated out. Now, that doesn't mean I don't need help. I sure as heck do. And that's why I have between 1 or 2 employees at a time doing secretarial and paralegal work, and frankly, a whole lot of personal assistance, which I sure as heck need. But there is a constant barrage of different things that I have to deal with, often dealing with people going through some of the worst moments of their life and in constant crisis. I earlier today had to talk to someone about some potential felonies and potentially losing his job. I had to talk to someone else about a client who is dealing with a medical crisis and how are we going to deal with court. I also have a jury trial scheduled for tomorrow, and I had to go through things with some witnesses. By the way, I don't even know if I have this jury trial tomorrow for sure because the district attorney refuses to respond to any phone calls or emails. But I have to be ready and will be ready. And in case that's not enough, the emails are coming in. There's documents for other work and contracts that need to be signed. I have had a phone problem with the phone not working for a little bit this afternoon. And then I had some calendar mix-ups because one of my assistants told me one thing about her schedule but wrote in the wrong thing. And then we had to get that schedule fixed. So there can be a constant madness of one thing after another. And that doesn't even start to begin with what might be going on in my own personal life. And there's quite a bit things there too, just like there is for everyone. So sometimes when I hear from people that, hey, I just got a quick little thing, or can you help me out here? The life is overwhelming. It is one thing after another. And I am happy to help people, but you got to call. You got to schedule an appointment. I can't just jump from one thing to another all the time. And that's frankly what a lot of people expect. And that's just a little bit about what things are like. It's not what you see on TV. The glamour is just not there. And you are basically managing people one after another through incredible stress, going through different types of court systems, trying to negotiate most of the time, sometimes getting ready to fight cases and making sure you know everything about these cases. There's a lot. So it's not something for the faint of heart, frankly. So that's a little bit about what I deal with. And there's so much more. But hope you will check out some more things, and hopefully we can get back to some normal types of educational things, and hoping to get back to some guests on the show in future episodes. So in the meantime, send me your comments, questions, concerns, and I'll see you next time on What in the Law podcast.